Hello friends, welcome to my channel Be Logical, and I am Ridhar back with another video. Today I am going to show you the quick unboxing and overlooks of the old model of Samsung Galaxy A5 2016 version, but this one is value for money. I bought this product rupees 14,490 rupees only. I got this from Flipkart, and today is the delivery. You can see this one mobile Samsung Galaxy A5 2016 version. This is the packaging come itself. You can see this. So I have to, without further delay, open up this box. What I actually got in the box itself come out. Let's open up this one. See this Samsung Galaxy A5 16GB version, 13 megapixel OIS optical image stabilization. That's why I ordered this one of my brother, and for this camera version, and you will get a 4G LTE Cat 6 and 64-bit octa-core processor and Full HD Super AMOLED display, 13 megapixel OIS and 5 megapixel front camera. The Indian SIM card only, for every unique SIM card something, that's it. The max and retail price you will get this rupees 21,300. To open up this one, I know this is a little bit old version phone, but according to the price or the time, but you will get the value for money and optical stabilization at this price segment. No phone will give it, and especially Samsung. I have to cut it down. Here is the phone come out. Phone itself, metal and glass blocks, what I actually get in the box, and some SIM tray. We'll put this in desk. Here are some user guidance signature pin, charger, COM data cable. No headphone come out. You can see this. No headphone. Fast charging. So the rating is made in India. Thank God. And 2 ampere fast charging port. And the cable is also good. Okay. Here you got the headphone also. Here you will get the headphone. So headphone quality is a good one, I must say. Here got some basic headphone of Samsung. So I'll side this one and move to the phone itself. Here you can see this. The phone looks amazing. Here I will move up this thing. Here the back side, you can see this full glass and metal unibody, and I have to peel this one also. See this fingerprint sensor is also present. So here you can see this, the phone, the compact one hand use 5.2-inch Super AMOLED display phone. Here is you will get the right hand side power button, semi-electric pin, and volume button in the left side, and this one is also a semi-ejector port, I think so. I have to test this one. And there is something micro SD card also, 3.5 jack in the bottom, and charging port. This one is a 2.5 charging port. So camera itself. So I boot up this phone. Here you will get, this is a dual SIM phone. Okay, SIM on and micro SD card. Okay, here I think here is the same thing. Here is SIM too. So this is a very good option. So you have to use a permanent SIM with SD card and dual SIM also, critical SD card slot. So I put up this phone. So here is the phone itself. You can see this, the viewing angle of the phone is very good. Super AMOLED display, 424 ppi per 5.2-inch. So this is a very good display. You can see this one. Here this one also, the viewing angle is a really good. Samsung is also known for its display also. You can see this, out of 10 you will get a 10 GB approx. So in another version you will get a Nougat. You will get a box from Nougat. But in the Flipkart it mentioned that you will get a lollipop. So thank God this is a good one. And move to the USP of this phone. This is the camera, OIS enabled camera. Here is something gets this one. The camera, and flash is auto. And I will take some samples of this lighting condition. You can see this. Shutter speed is good, very good. You can see this some samples which I take now. You see this. The camera is really good. You can see this. Amazing camera. I will put the testing of this phone with my Moto G5s Plus dual camera. If you want to review this thing, you can comment me in the comment section. I will put the review about this phone, and I will put the selfie camera also, or actually there are 5 megapixel camera with drone flash. Okay, selfie, you will get a picture of this one. There is no flash. You can see this. Front camera is also good, not bad. So if you want to buy this product, I will put the product buying links in the description section. You can use these links to buy this product and help me to do more social activity regarding humanity channel purposes. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye bye. Catch you soon in my next session. Please subscribe me and promote me towards among your friends circle.